That's right. 47% of all the mortgages in 2019 were purchased by first-time home buyers. Now, that is a high number, and understandably, a large proportion of those buyers go through the home buying process without really understanding what it involves. Some may even end up not making all the right choices that they should be. So if you are planning to buy your first home in 2020, then you have come to the right place. This is the first in a series of short videos wherein I will explain the home buying process end to end. So let's start with a short introduction. My name is Neil Joseph, and I am a licensed mortgage agent in the province of Ontario. I am an expert as far as mortgages for first-time home buyers are considered, and the information I will provide is appropriate for Canadians and for the time this video is being recorded. So let's get started. Step 1 involves getting your finances right. So what does it involve? Firstly, you should be choosing an independent mortgage agent, and I stress on independent. To know the reason why, please listen to the video that I've mentioned in the description. Secondly, work with the mortgage agent and determine the maximum mortgage payment that you can afford to make on a monthly basis. Thirdly, find out how much mortgage you can qualify for, and by extension of that, the maximum value of the property that you can purchase. Fourthly, understand what mortgage product is right for you. It is not just about the interest rate. There are aspects that can adversely affect you in future if not appropriately considered. Fifth, determine what your closing costs could be, and also determine any actions that need to be taken with respect to down payment, beacon scores, credit card debts, and any such aspects which could affect the mortgage that you could be eligible for. So now let's review point number B, which is the maximum mortgage payment and how it could be determined. So there are two matrices to be considered when determining how big your mortgage payment could be. First one is called gross debt service ratio, or commonly known as GDS, and it indicates the maximum monthly housing cost that you can afford. Now, the maximum monthly housing cost involves your mortgage payment, your heating cost, property taxes, and also the condo fees, if any. Typically, 35% of your income can go towards this cost head. The actual number varies a bit based on insurer and lender guidelines, and also your beacon score. The second is called total debt service ratio, or TDS. This is a combination of your monthly housing cost plus all your other debt payments. Debt payments could be your car payments, student loans, credit card debts, or line of or payments that you need to make against your lines of credit. Usually 40 to 42% of income can go towards housing costs plus your other debts. Again, the number varies a bit based on insurer and lender guidelines, and also your beacon score. Another important aspect that you should consider when determining your maximum mortgage payment amount is any future changes in your income and expense profile. You need to think long term and figure out whether the amount that you're deciding as your mortgage payment is something that you can continue to make. Let's take an example and sort of determine what the monthly mortgage payment could be for a certain individual. Let's assume an annual salary of $60,000. Monthly salary then works out in $5,000, which is nothing but $60,000 divided by 12. Assuming a GDS of 35%, the housing cost then translates, or the maximum housing cost translates to $1,750. considering heating at $100 per month, condo fees at $300 per month, and property taxes at $250 per month, the individual could be eligible for a maximum mortgage payment of $1,250 per month. Now, I think this is a logical place for us to pause for now. I will cover the rest of the aspects of step 1 in a subsequent video. I have also created a pictorial representation of all the steps involved in a home buying process for your benefit. You can find the link to this particular document on my website. The link is given in the description of this video. Do let me know your feedback, and please do share this video with friends and family if you like it. I will be back shortly. Till then, bye. Thank you.